How to add another account in WhatsApp in iPhone. So what we can simply do is we can go back and then we'll search for our app store, and then after searching for our app store we'll search WhatsApp in their search bar, and then we'll simply click on it, and we have to make sure that our WhatsApp is updated. Mine is updated, and I will simply go back and go to our settings, and after going in our settings we have to go on our iPhone storage, and after going in our iPhone storage we will go on our WhatsApp. After scrolling a bit we'll simply click on it, and then we can simply click on the Offload app, and after clicking on Offload app we will be deleting the app, and then we can reinstall it again. Then we'll go on our WhatsApp and we will go on our help section, which is right on below, and then we'll click on help center. If the before options were not working for you, this is the only final option. We can simply click on the contact us, and then there we can write our problem, and that is how we can fix and add another account in WhatsApp in iPhone.